Objects on MetaTrader 5 are not decorations. These objects, they help you think visually. They help you identify or mark your zones, your areas where you are looking to buy or where you're looking to sell. In simple sense, we're looking for support and resistance, supply and demand, market structure, high and low. These objects, they help you to identify those areas or those zones, right? Now, how do we use these objects and what are these objects? How did we even get here? So what you will do on your iPhone, all right, on your Android, just go back, you go to chart. First thing, you go to codes, you select any asset of your choice. Let's, in this case, we can select Euro USD, tap there once, press, go to chart, and this is what we see. This is our chart. If we go to do like this, this is what we see. So what we'll do, we'll press this icon here and hold it, press and hold it to, and let's just do like this. All right, let's do it together, press and hold so that we can have what I call a space. All right, so I'll do it like this. I'll do it like this with you. Okay, some of you will be able to manage to do it so easily. So let me. All right, let's do it like this. Okay, there we go. Tap and hold so that you can create this space here. All right, this is what we are looking for so that we can be able to use the objects the way that we like, and we can shift this until somewhere here so that we can create the space that we are looking for. Anyway, this is what we see. So on an Android, this is what you will see. You will tap on an empty space like this. This is what you will see. And some of you have some difficulties in actually understanding so well. So it's important for us to understand where are we actually pressing once we have this. We will press here. You can see here, this icon here. For iPhone, you will press on objects, all right? iPhone, MT5, MetaTrader 5, or even MetaTrader 4, you will see objects. All right, if we go to MetaTrader 4, let's actually check MetaTrader 4. We press here once, you will see this icon. If you press there, you'll be able to see what these objects here. So now, let's go to MT5. And now we want to actually understand how to use the objects so that we can be able to mark our zones, our areas of support, resistance, trend line, be able to know how to mark all those areas so that we can be able to trade. So once you press here, you press here, all right? You will see this, and we have this plus icon here for you to add more. Now, we don't have this rectangle box if you, on your chart or on your objects, favorite objects, you don't have it. So you'll click on the plus icon, you'll scroll the way down until you see rectangle so that you can be able to add it. All right, I trust you understand. So now once you add it like this, this is what you will see. What do we do now? We press here and hold, just like that. You'll be able to see your line like this. Your line will not be like this, so you have to adjust it using the pencil icon here. And your line might be here, so you'll have to edit somewhere here, and then you're just adding the pixel. Then you click what? You click save. Then you'll be able to see your rectangle box like this. For the horizontal line, if you press here again, you press here, horizontal line, you will see it. This is the horizontal line. We press here, we have it here. So it's not going to be like this. So what you will do, you just press it like this and press this pencil icon here. Then you can adjust the pixel. All right, some of you will find it in that way. If I click save, it will be like this. So you'll just press and I'll modify it to be on 3, 1, 2, 3, and save. Then you have your what? Your horizontal line. You can tap there. You can now move it wherever you want to move it. You can also use this rectangle box to move it however you want to move it, adjust it however you want to adjust it, and be able to mark those areas. You can also press like this, unchecked, check, press the pencil icon, and click fill like this, and click save. You see now the shaded color. It's that simple. You can also do the horizontal line, press there, and you click draw on background and click save. So it will draw on the background of the candlestick. It will be like this. It is simple to use what? To use the objects. All right, I trust you understand. Now, what about the one of trend line? You press here, you press this icon. This is the trend object. Press there. You can now use it however you want to use it. You can press it again like this, press the pencil icon. You can adjust the pixel however you want to adjust them. Then you can click what? Click save. You can also use the raise, which is, this is not what I recommend. Keep it like this, and you can click save just like that. You have your trend line that you can use to mark the trending market. So that is simple and easy to use these objects. So always you can also press like this, copy them. All right, you can press like that. You can press like that, copy. All right, move it however you want to move it. You can see how simple it is. You can press the pencil icon, remove the fill, click save, and you have your rectangle box like this. You can move it however you want to move it to wherever you want to move it. I trust you understand. So this is how you can be able to use your objects. It is that simple. Marking your structures. And for those who do not understand, let's go here. All right. For those who do not understand market structure, you will go to our YouTube channel and make sure that you subscribe and you watch the tutorial that I share here. You see, I share tutorials on a weekly basis, and you can also join our WhatsApp group where I share market direction, and our other WhatsApp group. And for you to join the WhatsApp group, I know some of you will be asking me, you will have to come to this website, click here, MetaTrader.com. You click MetaTrader.com, then you click on group number 2. Now the group number 2 here will get you into our other groups that we have. The group number 1, our groups that we have. Then for you to get on the premium, once you are on our group here, all right, I'll share updates, all right, on a weekly basis, that for the traders who've managed to join the group, those who are above 18 qualified to be on our premium group, you can actually, but you can now then request, and there's some other few things that you need to do. So this is what you will need to do in using the objects. It is that simple, it is that easy. You can do that all the time. You go to chart and you can now apply these objects. You can change time frame to H1, apply these objects if you're actually using your areas where we have demand, or areas where we have support. You can actually use this. All right, now this is how you actually use these objects. But when it comes to precise using them in terms of what strategy you apply, whether it's support and resistance, whether it's trend line, then you have to understand how to actually mark that market structure, low price and high price. It is that simple. For those who have questions, who would like to ask me anything, you feel free to do so. iPhone Vision, you just go to objects and you'll be able to add those objects. It's that simple. It is that easy. And you can also delete them. You can press the bin icon here, delete, press here, delete, press here, delete. That is simple and easy to do. If you have any questions, you'd like to ask me anything, feel free to do so. I love you all. Stay blessed, and I will see you on another tutorial. For those who do not have a trading account, what you will have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and watch this tutorial, how to open a trading account, how to start forex trading for beginners. And you can press here, use this broker that we use. They have other brokers that we use over here, so feel free to actually use the other broker that we actually use. So with that being said, that's all that you have to know, that's all that you have to do, and I trust you will actually have a nice journey learning and understanding what you need to do. Stay blessed. I love you all.